Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I have an announcement, and then I wanted to show you the August kit. Now I know I have fell behind in previewing the kits ahead of time, but the last couple of months has been kind of wild. I will try to get back in the habit of doing that, and then Melina is also going to be showing the kits too, and then making some projects with it, so that's going to help out a whole lot. But I wanted to show you what was in the kit. Now first off, the paper pad that you will get is called In Vogue. In Vogue. Sorry about the lighting. It's really dark outside. And this is from Cartabella. This has some beautiful dress forms in it. And some vintage ladies, fashions, Paris. And then these are old perfume bottles. And there's some of those vintage dress forms. This is mine, is the reason this is out, so don't worry, yours won't be out like this. I was going to use this a minute ago. And then there's the Eiffel Tower and all of the surrounding area there. That is neat. And then there on the back you've got the black and white Eiffel Towers. There's some purses. And then here you have just some words in different styles. There's a thing of shoes. So anybody who's shoe crazy, this would be a good paper pack. And there you've got that. That's pretty. And then here, I'm assuming that these are maybe donuts, or I don't know. They look like donuts. Maybe it's because I want a donut. I'm not sure what they are, but it looks like something sweet. And it says bonjour. Very pretty. And there's the Eiffel Tower again. There's just a black and white. And then it starts back over with the dress forms. Let's see. No, wait, it's not starting over yet. There's another thing of dress forms. And then that sheet. That's gorgeous, is it not? And then here's the old cafes, some old ladies. Some ladies that are down through there. And then this looks like all in French. There's boutique. So isn't that pretty? And then there's the back side of that one. There's some sunglasses, some lipstick, some brushes, some makeup brushes, and then regular glasses on that one. This is really good pack for that diva in your crowd, or it will be good for anything, but I can just imagine making a little mini album using this for one of those divas, or maybe a young girl, something like that. Okay, now it's starting over. So you get 2 sheets of each design, and this is 65-pound cardstock, and let's see, 24 sheets in here. So that's what you get there. Then you get a micron pen. This is archival ink, and it is a Pigma brush pen. I called it micron, but this says Pigma brush, but it's just like those micron pens. Now let me tell you this, some of your packs will have these pens in them, some of them will have a different pen in them, because we couldn't get enough of these to go in every pack, and we couldn't get enough of the other ones to go in every pack. But believe me, both pens are great. Both of them will work fine. They're kind of like a gel tip or brush tip like that, so they'll work good. You also get some tweezers, some bent tweezers that you can pick up different things with. So these are the Darris tweezers. You get some, this is, I think this is white, maybe? Yeah, this is white trim. I started to say lace. This is white trim. I think there's about a yard in here. So you get some white trim. You get some twine. You get a yard of twine, and this is the hemp twine that I use a lot. And then you get a yard of the black lace. Isn't that pretty? Hold it over there on that paper. Look at that on that paper. That's gorgeous. So you get a yard of that. Then you get a pack of the Craft Medley. These are the cup sequins. So they're the little sequins that's cupped just a little bit. These are good. I'll tell you something really cute to use these for. Take a sequin and put it down with the cup part up, so it's cupped like that, and put a little bead in the center of it. They look just like flowers. They're gorgeous. So this is in, you've got white, you've got iridescent, looks like that's gunmetal, you've got a deep blue and black, and I'm not sure what other colors underneath there. That looks like a charcoal maybe. So you get lots of sequins, get a whole pack. And then you get a pack of these sweet little pearls. Let me see if I can get these open without sending pearls to the ends of the world. Let's see if I can pour a few out. Aren't those beautiful? Look at those pearls. I'll have to hold it down. It's so dark. There we go. Look at those little pearls. You get a pack of pearls, and there's a ton in here. You can see how much. There is a lot of pearls in here. You get a pack of those, and they come in a little vellum pack there. Not vellum. Is that vellum? I don't know. Anyway, they come in a little pack. And then you get this. Now, this is a full sheet of this, but we did cut it. You know, we didn't cut into anything. You can still use everything on the page, but we had to cut it in order to get it in the packages that we ship in. So it's a full 12 by 12 sheet of these beautiful designs, and this is in Vogue. Isn't that cute? I love all of these. I've got one of these set back that I will be using. And then on the back, you just have that black and white. Then you get a stencil. Now, I will tell you that some packages will have a different stencil in them. That couldn't be helped. Right now we have such a hard time getting enough of one particular item to put in kits that it's crazy. You wouldn't even believe it, because a lot of the manufacturers are still working at just half force at just half staff. So they're having a hard time keeping up and making things, so we're just having to get what we can get. But some of you will have these in that has tickets. I can't remember what the other one was, but believe me, they're both good. They're both the same equal money value. So this one just happens to be tickets. It's a Viva Decor stencil. Let's see if it says anything else. And that's just some different ways that you can use it. You can use these, and I will be doing a little demo on these. You can use these with inks. You can use them with paints, glitter paste. You can use them with sprays, lots and lots of different things. But we'll be doing some demos on that. You get some papers that go with the paper collection. Hold that back over and show you. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, you get your zipper, waterproof zipper bag. So that is the August kit. We do have, and unless they've sold since I've been doing videos, I haven't looked back at the website, but we do have 4, I think, left, and they're up as a one-time purchase, so you can purchase it. You don't have to join the kit club. You can purchase it, but it does cost you a little bit more money, plus you have to pay your shipping. Now, if you want to join the kit club, you can join the kit club. That link is below. You can stop anytime you want to. It's not like you have to sign your life away and sign a certain amount of months, all that. You can join and stop anytime that you want. But you can join the kit club. You pay one price, and you get your kits guaranteed to you every month at one particular price, and you don't pay any extra shipping. Now, that's not to say if you're international, you can still join the kit club, but you do have to pay the extra shipping. We can't afford to ship international without charging shipping on those kits, so you would have to pay shipping for international. But that is our August kit. Melina and I will have some projects coming up using these very, very soon. Also, I wanted to announce to you, this is our announcement. I wanted to announce to you that we have a brand new designer for our E-Club kits. We needed help just putting up extra videos and projects and things to use for our E-Club kits, because we have a limited amount of time ourselves. So Melina's going to be doing that too, but we also have Kathy Champion, and let's see, her YouTube channel. Let me look up her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is, her YouTube channel is this right here, Random Acts of Craft with Kathy Champion. She's going to be our newest designer. She has, and this is also going to be our sponsored YouTube channel for this week. I didn't get to sponsor one last week since I was out of town, but we're going to sponsor this one this week, and then I have a whole line of other ones that we'll be sponsoring starting next week. Don't think that we're just going to sponsor people that work for us. That's not true. I've got all of your emails that you have sent me, and I've got the names listed out. So watch for next week. We'll have one of you guys that have sent me your information on next week. But Kathy has 730 subscribers right now. We want to get her up to that 1,000 mark like we did Melina. So what I'm asking is that each one of you go over and subscribe to her channel. Now, Kathy does some fantastic cards. If you're one that's interested in cards and that you have sent me a message asking me, am I ever going to do any more cards? I am not a big card maker, I can tell you that. I struggle making cards. I don't know why. I think it may be because I just don't have that ability. But she makes fantastic cards. Let me just show you one right here. Let's see if I can. This is a triple pop-up card that she did just a while ago. Let me turn my sound off so the sound won't bother you. And let me just get it to where you can see the what she's gonna demo. Let's see. And she is fantastic at videoing too. Let's see. Okay. Scroll on down here until we get to the point where she shows the whole project. Oh, right there it was. Okay. Hold on. We're almost there. Okay. So let me... There. Look at that. That is what she made just 4 days ago. Is that not amazing for a card? I would have never thought about doing anything like that. How smart is that? And they're absolutely beautiful. And that will fold up and go in an envelope. I'm sure it will. I didn't ask her, but I'm pretty sure that it will. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm going to let you watch it just for a second so that you can see. I'm sure she's going to show you the different... There you go. See how it folded up? Look at that. Oops, turn my camera straight. So she is going to be designing for us, and I cannot wait. So if you are a card maker and you've been wanting more cards, you need to go over and subscribe to her channel, because she has some beautiful ones that show up just about every day. I don't know how often she films. Let's just see how many she's had this week. 8 hours ago she did one. 2 days ago she did one, 4 days ago, and a week ago. So she does 2 or 3 videos a week. So that's fantastic. So yeah, looks like 2 or 3 a week. And maybe she'll even be doing more now, so who knows. But she's a very busy lady, but she has agreed to be one of our designers, and we really appreciate that. So make sure that you go over and subscribe to her channel. I'm going to leave her link below. So we want to get her up past that 1,000 mark so that YouTube will send her a little pin code so that she can start earning just a little bit of money. You don't earn much in YouTube, but you earn just a few dollars a month, and it just helps you buy your supplies that you use to make the projects with. Alright, so if you would help her out, I would really appreciate that. And if you're not already an eClub Kit member, make sure that you go down and click that link and become a member. If you want to just purchase the August kit and get all of these goodies sent to you, then you can go down and click on that link and purchase the kit. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.